Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering NECO 2020 Health Education Past Question 23. The major determinants of health are A. Nutrition, heredity, drugs, and environment. B. Nutrition, environment, lifestyle, and heredity. C. Hygiene, exercise, rest, and drugs. D. Hygiene, drugs, rest, and diet. And E. Environment, diet, rest, and drugs. Now we asked for the major determinants of health. And like we know, health is defined by WHO as the complete or total mental, physical, social, emotional well-being of an individual without merely the absence of disease. Without merely the absence of disease. Now, this is the definition of health by WHO. Now, this health has its determinant. Determinants of health may be biological, it may be behavioral, social, cultural, economic, and ecological. But then, this determinants of health has been broadly categorized into four major categories. Four major categories. Now, this include one, nutrition. Nutrition is one of the major determinants of health. Two, lifestyle. One's lifestyle affects one's health. Also, environment. One's environment, that is how clean your environment is, your surroundings. And then lastly, heredity, that is